Good day, everyone. We are starting a series of lectures on statistics, and today we shall be starting with the introduction. So, we are starting with introduction to statistics. What is statistics? Statistics is a science, and science comes from the root word in Latin, scientia, which means to know. It's all about knowledge. Knowledge about something that has existed in the past or event that has taken place in the past or is taking place currently, or make future prediction of events that will happen. So it's all about knowledge. The science of statistics, which uses a sample to predict or estimate some characteristics of a population, began its development during the 19th century. In a more precise way, we can define it as the science comprising rules and procedures for collecting, organizing, summarizing, describing, analyzing, presenting, and interpreting numerical data which are used in making decisions, valid estimates, predictions, and generalizations. There are three main branches of statistics, and the first one is descriptive statistics, which is the most common. In descriptive statistics, the event or outcome of events are described without drawing conclusions. It is concerned only with the collection, organizing, summarizing, analyzing, and presentation of an array of numerical, quantitative, or qualitative data. Descriptive statistics includes the mean, mode, median, standard deviation, range, percentile, kurtosis, correlation coefficient, and proportions, and so many others. The second branch of statistics is experimental statistics, which relates the design of experiments to establishing cause and effect. Such designs as experimental, quasi-experimental, which could be factorial, block, ANOVA, and ANCOVA. And lastly is inferential statistics. Inferential statistics builds on descriptive statistics, but takes a step further to make interpretation. So it's a step further to descriptive statistics. Inferential statistics find usefulness in stochastic or random process, queuing theory, gaming theory, quality control, and so many others. We use analysis such as chi-square, t-test, f-test for these kind of statistics. Applications of statistics. We use statistics first in our daily activities, whether we are at home, on our systems at home, or on our phone, whether we are in the market or at our place of work, we use statistics. For instance, as educationists, we can use statistics at home to organize a set of numbers and to draw an average value. Also, we use it in problem solving. If there is a challenge that is existing in a particular place, we can collect some data about what is happening and analyze it to solve such a problem. We use it in theoretical research, and in theoretical research, statistics help us to make predictions. How much of a given event will occur under specified conditions and conditions known. Also, we use statistics in research, and also it provides a means of employment. For instance, some people work in the Ministry of Statistics. They carry out assignment on population studies. So we use it in so many government agencies, and statisticians use this to provide information for government as well as companies. Now we move to some basic statistical concepts and notations. At this point, we will discuss just few of these basic statistical concepts, and you can check up others later on as we journey through the course. Variables and constants. A variable is a characteristic or property that can take on different values. It refers to a property whereby the members of a group or set differs from one another. Variables could be those that vary in quality or those that vary in quantity. Example is individuals in a class which may differ in sex, age, height, and so many others. Also, constants. Constants, on the other hand, do not assume different values. It is a fixed value that does not change. It is often denoted by numbers. Basically, we have two types of variables: quantitative variables and qualitative variables. Quantitative variables take values that vary in terms of magnitude, such as your test, weight, height, age, distance. Whereas qualitative variables are those that vary or differ in kind. They are only categorized. The differences are usually in kind, such as marital status, gender can be male or female, nationality, socioeconomic status, educational qualification, and so many others. And quantitative variables may be discrete or continuous. If it is discrete, it means it can take only finite set of values. Whereas if it is continuous, it means it is a kind of variable which can take on any value over a range of feasible values, such as your weight, distance values. Another basic term we use in statistics is population. This refers to a group of measurements that are often of interest. That is the aggregate of units to be covered. This may be people, objects, materials, measurements, or things. Sample. This is a part of or subset of a population. It is any subgroup or subaggregate drawn by some appropriate method from a population. So there are rules guiding the selection of a sample. The sample is usually the portion of the population appropriately selected for observation. Parameter. This is a descriptive measure or characteristic, true value of a population. When such characteristics as mean, standard deviation, or variance of a population is computed, they are called parameters. And statistics refers to a descriptive measure or characteristic of a sample. So in summary today, we have defined statistics as the science which comprises the rules and procedures for collecting, organizing, summarizing, describing, analyzing, presenting, and interpreting numerical data which are used for making decisions, predictions, and generalizations. Also, the importance of statistics in general terms has been discussed. Educational statistics is the application of statistics in the field of education, and the use and purposes of statistics in education were enumerated, such as we use it at home for our daily use, we use it for research purpose, we use it provides employment, we use it for so many things. Now, and we also discuss some basic statistical notations and concepts such as population, variables, constants, sample, statistics, and so many others. So we've come to the end of the class today. Till we meet another time, thank you and have a great day.